Is it all because of the bad weather in places like Spain?
So I think what we're seeing in the media right now is that there are places like Spain who we're heavily dependent on for things like tomatoes at this time of year, and in parts of North Africa like Tunisia and Morocco. So right now they have experienced a real cold spell, some issues around the weather, and it's disrupting supply and getting these products over here. And what it's really done, it's shone a real light on the fact that actually we don't have domestic resilience when it comes to our own food supply chains here in the UK. And I think it's never good to be having shortages on the supermarket shelves, but what it does, it presents an opportunity to have a conversation around food and what are the risks that are involved with the production of that food, and risks such as the weather. And we're going to see that with climate change. We're going to see droughts, more droughts. We're going to see issues of disease resistance of crops. So we need to really think about, should we be relying on imports, or should we really be strengthening what we can produce in this country? But I think there is an element here also about seasonality. And I think as consumers, we've become so used to expecting in our porridge in the morning to have blueberries in January, and because of that we've ignored the natural seasonality of food. And I think as part of that we've also devalued food. We take it for granted that it's always there. We waste it. We waste around a third of the food we put in our in our shopping baskets. And actually there's also an element here for food price, but actually if we valued what went into the production of that food, we'd respect it more.